Okay, this one is probably one of the two hardest ones on the whole sheet because you don't just have one unit to convert. You actually have two. Actually, this might be the very hardest one on the whole sheet. So let's take a look. Instead of doing, remember how we did whatever number we're trying to convert and put it over 1? This time, we're still going to do it over 1, but notice that slash seconds here. That's what that means, like miles per hour, calories per second. So since it's per second, it's going to be a division, and that's going to go on the bottom. That's actually a really tricky step, so make sure you understand that. Okay, so we're trying to get it into joules per hour. Doesn't matter which side you convert, but you're going to convert calories to joules. We're going to convert seconds to hours. So we're going to have two different things to convert here. Let's do calories first because it's on top. There's really no other reason than that. So we have calories on top, we have calories on the bottom, and then 4.18 joules on the top. I gave the conversion factor right here, and that's where we get that from. Calories cancel. The next part is the tricky part because people don't know what to do with that thing on the bottom. Since we have seconds on the bottom, we want it to be on opposite sides in order for it to cancel out. So since seconds are at the bottom, we're going to put it on the top this time. And we're trying to get it to hours, so we're going to go seconds to hours. So there's 60 seconds in 1 minute, and then there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. And that's going to be our two conversion factors we're going to use. Since 60 goes with seconds, I'm going to keep that together. Then I'm going to have 1 minute on the bottom, because that's what it equals. Once again, we want it on opposite sides. We're not 2 hours yet, so we need to do another conversion factor. We're going to put minutes on top here, because we want it to be on opposite sides. 60 minutes are in 1 hour. So the calories cancel. Seconds and seconds, because they're on top and bottom, cancel. Minutes and minutes, because they're on top and bottom, cancel. That means we're left over with hours. So if we look all the way in the cross on the top, 48 times 4.18 joules times 60 times 60. Notice we didn't cancel out the joules, so that's going to stay on top. That comes out to be 722,304. Now if we multiply the bottom across, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 hour. Hours couldn't cancel out, so it's going to still be there. So that's going to be our answer. Here's our joules per hour right here. That's the unit we were looking for. Now, just to make your life a little bit more difficult, we have two significant figures here, which means we need to have 2 in our answer. So 720,000 joules per hour when you round it off. Really complicated one just because we're not used to dealing with both sides. But it's the exact same process. Just make sure that you need to cancel out from opposite sides. And that's the end of that one.